Hey, welcome to another discussion about HubSpot. In this video, we're going to explore how to use HubSpot to manage your efforts as a trade show vendor and build an automated end-to-end framework to manage your booth's leads effectively within your portal. So let's get started. Successful trade show management is broken down into three phases: the pre-show foundation for list organization, live booth capture for data entry, and post-show speed for rapid follow-up. In phase one, the focus is on building a solid foundation. This involves preparing your system's data architecture, cleaning your attendee list, and launching targeted outreach sequences to ensure your booth demos are booked in advance. A proper database structure is essential. Organize your properties under settings, objects, and properties. Map your list columns to these properties and use drop-down fields to prevent manual data entry errors by your sales team. This workflow automates meeting bookings by enrolling your target list, sending invitations with incentives, and using branching logic to identify those who book a meeting. You can automatically update their engagement status to engaged pre-show. Phase two is about live show capture. Move away from unreliable badge scanners by deploying mobile-friendly forms directly at your booth tables or via QR codes for immediate data synchronization. When configuring your tablet capture form, disable pre-populate fields in HubSpot to avoid cookie issues. Use a hidden property to mark attendees as having visited the booth, and include a text box for your representatives to dictate notes. Phase 3 focuses on post-show acceleration. The goal is to trigger automated handoffs to your sales reps within minutes, allowing for immediate follow-up loops before the competition can respond. This automation workflow triggers once a form is submitted. It then rotates the contact owner via round robin, creates a follow-up task for the rep, and sends a safety net nurture email if no contact has been made after 1 hour. Finally, track your ROI. By using HubSpot campaigns, you can tie your deals directly to the event, enter budget details, and automatically calculate your influence contacts, deals created, and closed won revenue. By following these steps, using custom properties, optimized forms, and automated rotations, you can transform your sales reps from administrative workers into effective relationship builders, efficient relationship ready to close more deals.
This concludes our video. The image used in this presentation was sourced from dzunkerphotography.com.